This is my grandmother's caramelized banana cake recipe. It turns out simply amazing, super soft and delicious. It is quick and easy. Start by adding a cup of sugar to a pan. Then, turn on the heat and stir constantly until the sugar melts and becomes caramel. At this point, gradually add half a cup of hot water and continue stirring until it is completely liquid. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. At this stage, it is perfect. Now transfer all this syrup to a cake pan. My pan is size 22. After finishing this step, using a spatula, spread the caramel along the sides of the pan, the way I am doing. Next, add 4 bananas cut in half to the bottom of the pan, like this. Once done, set this part aside. Next, add 3 eggs to a bowl. Then, add 1 cup of sugar. Remember, everyone, that my cup is 240 milliliters. After that, mix these ingredients very well. When you reach this point, it's perfect. Right after, add half a cup of milk. Next, half a cup of oil. Once that's done, let's mix once more to incorporate these ingredients into the recipe. Then, gradually add 2 cups of wheat flour and mix very well until fully dissolved. And while you're at it, tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. At this point, it's perfect. Now, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix again until completely dissolved. This is the ideal point. Next, transfer all this batter to the pan with the caramel and bananas. Whenever I make this recipe here at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I'm sure it will be no different. Now, take it to the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 minutes. And our caramelized banana cake is ready, everyone. Now just take a piece and check the result more closely. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe for breakfast or an afternoon snack, you just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. And look at this amazing result. Simply perfect. Make it at your home, and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you stuck around until here, don't forget to leave a score from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. I'll leave it here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.